We begin by opening up the Ansys workbench from a desktop shortcut or from the Start menu, All Programs, Ansys, and the workbench. From here, we select Static Structural on the left-hand side, click and drag over to the project window. Now we set engineering data for the structural steel given and a massless steel. We will change some of the default values based on the given values in the problem statement. We are given that the density is equal to 490 pounds per feet cubed, which is similar to this, but we will change it to be exact. We are also given that Young's modulus is equal to 30 times 10 to the 6th psi. We select psi in the drop-down menu and provide it with the corresponding value. We are also told to treat the Poisson's ratio as equal to 0. Now we will create a massless steel with the same properties as the structural steel, except that the density will be equal to an arbitrarily small value, close to 0. We do this by right-clicking our structural steel and duplicating it. Then we double-click and rename. And the only thing we will be changing, again, will be the density to an arbitrarily small value close to 0. So we will choose 1 e to the negative 30. And this will be applied to the sign itself. The massless steel will be applied to the sign. Now we return back to the project window, and I recommend at this point saving the project. Now I will be saving on my desktop in the SimCafe folder, and I will be saving it as 3D Signpost.